Hello, my name is Ashutosh, and today we are going to discuss one topic from arithmetic, which is time and distance. In this, we will talk about the basic concept of average speed. So let's start. When we talk about the formula for the average speed, the formula is very simple. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon the total time taken. Okay, so we need to find the distance traveled, and then we need to find the time taken to find out the average speed for any given question. There's one question given, which is Daniel travels to his parents' house driving a car with the speed of 40 miles per hour, and he returns on the same route with the speed of 60 miles per hour. What is the average speed of his whole journey? Most of the students think about this question like, because I have to find out the average speed, I will simply do it like 40 and 40 plus 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 50. But this is wrong. When you have to solve the questions based on the average speed, you should not use the formula of average, which is just like adding up the numbers and dividing the number of elements. Okay, so what you have to do here is to find out the total distance traveled and the total time taken to find the average speed of the whole journey. So what you can do here, we don't have this total distance traveled here, we don't have the total time taken. So what we can do, we can assume a number from his parents' home, let's say point A to point B, as let's say 120. Why I'm using 120 only? Because we should take a number here which is divisible by the different speeds which are given over here, so that we can find out the time by dividing this distance upon the speed. Okay, so if I take the distance as 120 from the point A to the point B, I'll be able to get the time taken, the first time T1, which will be equal to 120 upon 40, which will be equal to 3 hours, while the time T2, while coming back, is coming with 60, so 120 upon 60, which is equal to, again, 2 hours. If I have to find out the average speed, I can say that the total distance traveled here, which is 120 plus 120, to 40 divided by total time taken, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5, and which is equal to 48 miles per hour, right? So whenever you get the questions based on the average speed, do not use the average formula. Instead, take a number for the total distance, find out the individual time taken, and then find out the total distance traveled by total time taken. And this is how you have to complete the questions based on the average speed. Thank you. That's all for this video. We'll come up with the next video with another question and the topic. Thanks.